Hello everybody, thanks for watching this video. This is the code for real-time face landmark detections. So first of all, let me run this code, and after that I will teach how it's working. Let me run it first. So the window is open. Can you see it's detect my face landmark, and this is the working of code you can see here. So now I'm telling you that I have used two libraries, OpenCv and dlib. So first of all, you need to go on your Anaconda prompt and install pip install dlib. So dlib library, so it will automatically download. But I have faced a problem. You need to find full path for that and install using pip command. And after that, after installing, you can go there. I have just opened the link here, and need to install, need to download this shape predictor 68 face landmark. It will show 68 points on your face. So put into the folder and make a code, and after that you need to capture your frame using CVT video captures, and then load the um, file which I have from which will download it. So then the loop is working. The loop you need to make a loop, while to loop and a nice loop, and after that read the frame and convert it into RGB to gray, and use this method. This is the method I have made. This is the built-in method for which is available in dlib library, and then we are just taking face line loop on faces, and the loop, this one loop is show you 0 to 68 means the file name 0 to 68 means 68 landmark. It will present a 68 landmark on your faces, and it will run and show the circle and everything else. So this is the whole small code, but thanks for watching this video. Hope I will upload more code regarding open series and computer vision. And thanks for watching Artificial Intelligence Hub. Thank you so much.